You know what, I'm not going to use flaps.
Wow, that is fast.
See, one of the gear doors is always down. Looks like it might actually close in.
Yeah, cleaned up.
Nope, see, the doors are still hanging open. See them?
Oh yeah.
It was actually still climbing, believe it or not.
You have a 5 in it now?
Yeah, got a 5S in it. I'm excited to see what it's going to do with a 6S.
We were talking about those roaring tops. They're usually a little smaller.
Right. My smallest 6S I have is a 3300, and it just wouldn't fit in with the canopy, you know, wouldn't close up. Sure you don't want to try it, Pete?
I'm absolutely sure. That's too pretty of an airplane for me to get my hands on.
Need to what?
It's too pretty of an airplane for me.
Oh no, come on, this thing really flies gentle. He said as he piled it into the dirt. I got to put some mix in on the flaps, so it really climbs up when you put the flaps on. Watch this. There's one tick of flaps,
Oh, yeah.
nothing on the sticks. She just goes right up. I've got to get some mix dialed into it. I would hazard to think what it would do with full flaps. We'll try it here and see what happens. Get a little altitude, a little more altitude though. There's hands off, low flaps, high flaps.
Wow.
High flaps, it'll do a loop on you.
Wow.
It's crazy, right? I did not read the manual to see if it was supposed to have any mix or how much it's supposed to have, so I'll just have to play around with it. Time check. Try it, man.
No, sir.
It is so smooth with those ball links on there. It's not even funny.
Are you filming today?
Yeah. We'll give the old Jim signature move on it.
Yep. That
light in the wing is pretty bright, actually.
It is. On a day like today.
Yeah.
Yeah, the red and the green.
I don't know that you'd see it without an overcast, but yeah, definitely got to figure out what is up with those gears. It's done that since flight number 1, you know. I got the grandkids in town through the weekend, so I haven't really had time to do anything. You flew yesterday morning and now today, but I didn't have time to work on them yesterday.
It's really good you get to see them that often.
Yeah, they're down in Austin, but you know, I love them to death, but one of them is 3 years old, and he can be a handful. It's one of them that needs pretty much constant supervision, you know.
Our Spencer, the main reason we made the trip. Then I've got 2 more granddaughters down there that we went to see, and then my daughter lives in St. Pete. We went down to have lunch with her.
How old are the granddaughters?
16 and 8, 16, and we'll be 18, 7. One just turned 16, and one is soon to be 18.
Oh, nice. Just the age where you got to start worrying about all them hairy-legged boys running around. There it is, FMS T28, wonderful flying plane. Thanks for watching.